Hello everyone, you're on the Handmade channel. Welcome to the sculpting stage, where I'll show you how I'm currently making a BMW out of clay and how it looks right now, before it's fully finished. So, right now I'm making a BMW M5 E34 out of clay, and I'm actually making two cars at the same time. For this, I'm using two types of clay, regular hard sculpting clay and very hard NSP clay. Why am I making two cars at all and what am I going to do with them? I'll talk about that in the main video about them. To create these two BMWs, I use foil, which I stick tightly to the clay. It helps the clay keep its shape and prevents it from sagging. There's foil on the underbody and the door parts. In general, there's foil all over the body. First, I made the underbody of the BMW, then I built the frame for the body on top of it. And then I attach the body parts to this frame. I'm working on two BMWs in parallel. For example, I make the rear bumper on the first car, then I make the rear bumper on the other one, I do the trunk on one, then on the other, and so on at this pace. At this stage, almost the entire body is ready, except for the front end, the hood, and the roof. I've completed about 60% of the car by now. I think I'll finish them in another 5 days. I studied this car in Forza Horizon 4 and mainly worked with it in 3ds Max. It's more convenient to examine the model here than in the game. I decided to make new rims for the BMW. I hadn't made ones like these before, and of course, the wheels can rotate. And to create such rims, I needed an original one, which I took from a Mazda RX-8. I just took polymer clay, made a mold of the rim, put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and it hardened. After that, I just apply a thin layer of modeling clay, remove the mold, and cut out the rims. That's how I made them. I really like them, and I think they suit these BMWs very well. Making two BMWs at once is not as easy as I thought. For example, I made the side parts of the body, marked out all the doors, it seemed like I finished them, and then I have to make exactly the same ones again. However, it's a new experience in car sculpting. And I even chose a car with simple body shapes, but if I, for example, made a Lexus, it would take much longer than just making two BMWs. Well, this is how these two BMWs look right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please support it with a like and also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in my clay creations. Well, I'm going to keep working on these BMWs and I'll see you in the main video about them. Thanks everyone for watching, goodbye.